Lone Rider have just released their new ADV bags. In this episode, I'm going to take you through what's in the box, the setup and installation, and of course, the shakedown. Regular viewers of the channel will know that I am a fan of Lone Rider gear. When they asked if I would like to feature their ADV bags on my channel, naturally, I said yes. So thank you so much, Lone Rider, for sponsoring this episode. As of right now, there is a 20% discount going on, but it's not going to last very long. Check the description for more details. I have an affiliate link there. I do receive a small kickback at no extra cost to you, and it does help me continue doing what I'm doing. So thank you so much in advance. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I've done here, but before I do, let's take a look at what's in the box. Starting with here, this is your base plate. So this is what pretty much everything mounts to. You get your left and your right holsters, and then these go like that, boom. These go like this, boom, mounted with the hardware, which is right there. And then this is your beaver tail. This guy goes back there, you lift it up, and you look like little storage pockets under there. Oh, so good. This guy back here, that goes under the beaver tail. This is your left dry bag. This is your right dry bag. Exhaust heat shield so you don't melt the damn thing on your pipes, on your sexy loud pipes. And then you got your hardware here. More heat shield adhesive stuff there. You got a couple of spare valvey boys. So there's some air valves on these bags. Undo that, let all the air out, compress it right down. Keep all the air out of your bags, so handy. Got some stickers, and we've got some strappy boys. Shall we put it together? I think we shall. The Lone Rider ADV bags weigh 6.9 kilos and hold 70 liters. They use 640D nylon for durability and abrasion resistance, plus 420 Hyperlon for protection against chemicals, UV, and extreme heat. The full-blown Lone Rider ADV bags. It's an awesome system. So easy to put on your bike. First, when you chuck it on, you want to do up the back part first. You just want to loop around your straps and pull down tight. Boom, you've just secured the back end of the ADV bags. Next, loop them around your pillion pegs, cinch them down. That's pretty much it. You're locked and loaded. Next up is putting the 25-litre bags in each of the holsters. On the side bags, you have a little window so you can see inside the bags, see what's in there. Also, at the top of the 25-litre bags, or actually all the bags, they have a super seal. So there's like an extra layer of plastic there. So that even if you do roll it once and it sort of comes open a little bit and it's raining, your gear's still pretty much gonna be dry. It just acts as another little seal there, protective seal to stop dust and water and mud and all that sort of stuff getting in there, which is another handy thing. You also have anti-friction zones on the back of the bags as well to make it easy to slide in and to stop wear from all the vibrations and everything you'll be doing when you're just carving up some sick dirt roads. Once you get them in, you probably won't be able to get them all the way down to the bottom. So they have a tab underneath that you can just pull and it'll pull the bag right down to the bottom. And then from here, you want to just unplug the little cap off your little air valve, and that's a one-way valve, guys. It'll let air out, but it won't let anything in. So you can compress this down as much as possible using the compression strap right here, and of course, the top strap, which is up here. You can either loop it through the handle or put it around the side. If you're worried about your bag flying out, it won't. But if you are, you can put it through the strap like what I did. That's pretty much it. Your bag is now in and it is secure. And protecting your bike from the system, you have this really nice soft padding here that's completely replaceable. So once it all wears out, after many, many miles of dirt road goodness, you can just replace all of them. So then it's like brand new again. To give you guys an idea of how much you can fit in the 25-litre bag, this one here, I have a camping chair, table, mattress, and winter all-weather sleeping bag. That's all in here. And you could probably put a little bit more. You could probably wedge some socks and some stuff in there as well. And then at the top, it's a 20-litre bag. This is where you'd want to keep your clothes and all your lighter sort of stuff. This is really cool. The whole beaver tail setup here is amazing. So first of all, with this 20-litre bag, you got two big old straps here so you can just riff that off. Underneath it, you have Velcro, so it won't slide left or right. If these happen to come loose or something like that, this is still going to be stuck on, which is awesome. And then, like I mentioned earlier during the unboxing, you've got the bungee cord here, so you can store your gloves, or if you're in a rush, you just want to chuck your rain jacket under there, but you're worried it might fly out, strap it underneath the bungee cord, tighten it right up, you're so fine. Also on the underside of the 20-litre bag, you have backpack straps in the little zipper compartment. So yeah, you can go for a hike, put some snacks in there, you're good to go, got a little backpack. That's really cool. On the underside of the beaver tail, you've got a map sleeve and a couple of pockets and everything like that. They're not 100% waterproof, just so you know. So be mindful of that. If you do have valuables that you don't want to get wet, just put them in a Ziploc bag and chuck them in there. It does come with 2 straps that stay here. You can strap a tent there. If you already own the Lone Rider ADV tent, that fits so perfectly there. Probably act as a backrest as well. It's extra storage, so you can have your tent and then all your other stuff here as well, which is pretty wild. Just be mindful, guys, these little clips here that slot into here, when they're open, they handle about 2 to 3 kilos. When you have them locked in, it's like 70 kilos. So make sure you have them locked in, otherwise they're gonna snap and you're gonna lose your tent and all your stuff. But they're really easy to use as well. Super intuitive, you just press down, little thing flicks up, and you can quickly just remove these, which is really handy. These are your spare adjuster and compression straps. So the compression straps are these ones here. They compress the bag together. And then your adjustment strap is the one here. Now, there's a metal rod that runs right across there, and to replace it literally takes like 2 seconds, hey? And you just slide this one in and you're good to go again, back on the road. So keep these with you just in case the other ones snap. These are anchors, and you use these screws and you can mount these anchors wherever you like on the bike. These are particularly handy for the people that don't have many mounting options. That's what these are for. You got to drill a hole in your bike though, you know, mount them in a good spot. Did I talk about the magnetic straps here? The magnetic clips? I didn't. These are the best. It's all around the system. They're all magnetic and they clip on so well and they're so stuck on there. And then to take them off, you just press the little sides there and pop, off they come. So fast, so easy, so good. Another really cool thing. If you are already into the whole Lone Rider system, you've already got maybe a drink bottle holder, or if you've got one of these mini bags here, there are molly panels all over the system. So you can grab one of these, stick it here. You've got all the loopholes for all your big anchor points. They're gonna take majority of the weight, and then you put your little straps there through the molly panels, and it's just gonna hold it down so nicely. So you can expand the whole system with Lone Rider gear that you already own, which I think is damn fantastic. Now guys, I know what you're thinking. It fits on the T7, sure, happy days. Is it versatile enough to fit on the Scrambler? Absolutely it does. And it looks pretty cool. I reckon it looks nice and chunky. The thing I like about these is that they do have the little protectors, the buckle protectors. So you're not gonna scratch your guards or anything like that. Now, I know for a fact that my pipes run pretty cool, especially down there. Cat delete will do that, and this won't melt. And I know that for a fact as well. But if you are worried, you know, use the heat shield that's included with the bags. We've done the unboxing. You guys now know how the system works, how it mounts, what it does. Now it's time for the shakedown. Ooh. Well, that was fun. For those of you who aren't familiar with rackless systems, this system is really nice and tight to the bike, which means that you can have a bit of fun. You can boogie without worrying about being off balance too much, and it makes for a more enjoyable ride. Now, the first thing I noticed when I got on the T7 with this on for the very first time, just on the ride here, was how much room there was behind me. Even with my bag on, this is a Camelback, to be way back here. Look at this room here to be able to feel anything back there. So I'd say even with the tent there, you're still going to be fine. I think with the tent though, the bag might hit it, but they performed really well. I mean, this was the shakedown test, and I haven't even gone through and tightened everything up. So usually, yeah, like everything, once you go for a little burn, you just want to tighten everything back up again, which is totally fine. But man, that was awesome. You can't half tell I enjoy Lone Rider. I've got the Moto lights. Got the bags on here on the side, got this, even got the foot pegs, man, tank bag, and now the ADV bags. Use my affiliate link, guys, in the description below for 20% off for the shortest time ever. I receive a small kickback at no extra cost to you guys, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Lone Rider, for sponsoring this video. Awesome bags, man. So stoked. All right, I'm gonna burn out of here. Right into the sunset, baby. Yew.